Yvonne Koshebeski here from the Warren County Career Center. We're here highlighting one of our great partners in the community today, Invotec. Invotec develops and automates manufacturing systems and solutions, and we wanted to highlight, they're here in Springboro. If you're a Springboro person out there in the community, you know probably where they are, across from the industrial complex across from the Springboro Airport. So we wanted to highlight what we have in partnership with them today, and we wanted to reach out to, they reached out to us about a year ago and said that they had need for some technically trained students, and they came over for a tour of our facility, and from that point we developed a partnership, and as a result of that they hired a few of our students to co-op during the course of their senior year from our advanced manufacturing and robotics program. And one of those students now is a full-time employee, so he came straight from our high school advanced manufacturing and robotics program and is now employed full-time with Invotec. On the great kinds of equipment that we have back here, the gentleman who's sitting on the ground here is Raphael Zotter, and Raphael is the student who is now a full-time employee who graduated from our program last May. Additionally, the gentleman who's behind him is Brandon Fowler, and Brandon graduated about 6 years ago from Mr. Higgins's advanced manufacturing and robotics program, and he went on to his college experience, and he has a degree in automation and has recently come on board with Invotec and is now employed full-time here. So what we wanted to show you, one of the things is it takes great business partners to be able to pull together opportunities for our students, but also the fact that this advanced manufacturing and robotics program, which is $1 million RenTech lab on our campus, on main campus in Lebanon, is a great opportunity for students who want to go straight from high school into a highly technically skilled work scenario, or for those students who want to go on to that college experience, get that college degree, and be involved in automation and other great manufacturing processes out in the community. So with that being said, I want to turn it over to Mr. Higgins and let him say anything that he would like to about his awesome program that he has going.
This has been a great partnership that we've held on for this long with you guys. I appreciate everything from the job shadows that my students have come in and done. I can't tell you enough about how when they come here, when they come back, they're very excited about what they've learned here. So they're just so happy that they have gone. And then of course my recent grads, I can't say enough about them. Just I've asked them, like, what do they think about working here at Invotec, and they're very pleased about like what they've gained so far. So thank you all for the opportunities.
So we want to turn it over to our Invotec representatives. Dave Ratliff is going to share his journey, and then Jamie is going to talk about what the company does, and we're just so interested in what all it is that you all have going on. It's a lot of awesome machinery behind us being put together, and we wouldn't think that we could even talk about necessarily what it is that you have going on. So we're going to turn it over to you to let you do that and share your journey about how you got here.
All right. My name is David Ratliff. I'm Controls Engineering Supervisor here at Invotec. When Yvonne asked us to get involved, I was actually really excited to do so because a long time ago, I was actually a graduate of Miami Valley CTC in a very similar program. So I know what the program can do and how it can kind of get you going on a good path and know what's possible in your career. So Invotec's given me a good opportunity. I started similar to Raphael and Brandon as a controls tech, and then there's been many opportunities along the way to learn. Invotec helped let me get into controls design, where I learned about AutoCAD and various software and controls engineering. Got into controls programming, and now eventually control supervision. There's a lot of paths here, a lot of options and ways to learn. We do a lot of different things, which is a good place for a first job for sure. So yeah, that's not my bad.
Jamie, will you give us a little bit of information about what Invotec, specifically the processes that you all are involved in?
Sure. I'm Jamie Rice. I'm the Director of Engineering here at Invotec. We design and build custom automation equipment for the medical device field. It may be automation for assembly, test, inspection of, as I mentioned, medical devices. So we have controlled the process from a blank sheet of paper all the way through final product here that we're building the equipment for. So that includes engineering, both mechanical, controls engineering. Then it moves out to the shop phase of things with machining, assembly, controls integration, and then finally programming, where everything kind of comes together and comes to life. So we definitely have various areas to where there's skill sets that can be learned. I personally started in school. I started in engineering, moved from engineering to shop supervision to project management, and then eventually management or engineering management. So there's definitely a lot of areas that things can be learned and people can be utilized.
Great opportunities here at Invotec. They tell us that 2/3 of the jobs that are currently in the economy and will continue to be in the economy are in highly technically skilled areas. So if you as a high school student are looking at this video thinking, I think I might be interested in that, well, check out Mr. Higgins and the Advanced Manufacturing Program at the Warren County Career Center. We're still taking applications for incoming juniors for next year. We'd love to have you join us, as well as this program is also taught at the adult level. And so our adult students attend classes in the evening, Monday through Thursday in the evenings. So if you're looking to just pick up some technical skill sets to see if you have the mechanical and other aptitude to be involved in these great opportunities that are in our county, in Warren County, check it out. Go to our website, see what you would like to be involved with, and we'd love to have you become a student either at the high school level or at the adult level. And Invotec, I'm sure, is growing. There is a lot of things that are being produced here for the medical industries and beyond, and so I'm sure they're going to have need for additional techs, engineers, and others in the future, and they are looking for their future workforce, and we're in the position to be able to provide that. So thank you for that in our community, and this is Yvonne Koshabeski signing off from Warren County Career Center. Thanks, Invotec.
Thank you.